Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing Mini Countryman rocker cover. First step is to remove the following bolts using E10 Torx. Before you can remove these bolts, you would need to remove the injectors, injector holders, injector pipes, wirings and fuel rail pressure sensor in order to gain access and remove the bolts. I will put them in the description below or either side of this video. The common symptoms of bad rocker cover gasket seals include: there is oil on the upper part of the injectors. Oil is leaking from the cover on top of the engine, or you see oil on the ground below your car. You notice a burning oil smell when the engine is running. This happens when oil drips onto the hot engine, which creates smoke. Oil usage increases unexplainably. In extreme cases, this can also cause the oil pressure indicator light to come on. There is also a vacuum hose that needs to be removed. My one broke while trying to remove, as plastic that has been heat cycled many times become brittle and stiff. This causes it to break. The valve cover gasket sits between the engine and the valve cover and seals the oil inside. Time and many miles can dry out or crack the valve cover gasket. If the seal created by the valve cover gasket loses its ability to contain all the oil flying around inside, then oil will escape. Valve cover bolts can also work their way loose. Valve covers can also warp or crack. The torque spec for rocker cover to the cylinder head is set at 15 nanometers, timing case to cylinder head is at 20 nanometers and oil trap to rocker cover is 17 nanometers, however double check with your workshop manual. Once all the screws are loosened, you can safely remove your rocker cover. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.